So I'm going to show you how I cut veneer straight. Even though this looks straight, if I push the ends up, here, if you look closely, you'll see that veneer is not quite exactly straight. You can see some of the particle board underneath this. In order to book match the veneer, it's really got to be straight so it can joint up. If it's not straight, well, you end up with problems like this. I'm going to have to veneer over that. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a piece of veneer like this, have it extend just a little bit past, and this veneer here already has a crack, so I'm going to pull it a little farther than I might otherwise. I'm going to lay this board over, and this board is going to screw into place. This board is going to go on top so that there's more surface area for the circular saw to ride on. And I'm going to go get the guide. Because this screws into place, I know that it's all lined up properly. I have these two pre-cut measuring sticks. I'm going to line them up. Now, after a while, I sometimes have to actually cut into this a little bit. When I need to do that, I'll use this piece of wood to space the guide bar a little further back. There we go. It's in place. Now we can just cut with the circular saw. And this gives us a nice flat edge. I've got a little bit of overhang here, unfortunately. I'm going to take another pass, and if that doesn't work, I'm going to use the spacer to push this back a little bit. Then I'll cut into the MDF, and that'll give me a perfect cut. Yep,